Hello, in front of me I've got The Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to create supportive spells. In the beginning, make sure to find Altar of Spellmaking. You can find it in Frostcrag Spire, but before you can use it, you have to buy candles in the Imperial City. Activate the altar, and let's take a look at the supportive spells. The more spells you know, the more spells you can create. Here you can select Resist Frost, Fortify Magicka, or Restore Health. Let's select Restore Health and select On Self. Next, adjust magnitude and duration. Take a look at the bottom left corner of this menu. Right here you've got mana required to use spell and mana you've got. So make sure to fortify your Magicka. You can do it by leveling up or enchanting your gear. In the end, here we've got the amount of money we need to create the spell, name your spell and select confirm. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.